Alin ba ang tama? On time or in time? Yan ang ituturo ko sa iyo sa video na ito. Makinig kang maigi because there will be a quiz at the end of the lesson. Hello, my name is Myra Cagete and welcome to a new video. Ano nga ba ang tama? On time ba or in time? Actually, pareho silang tama. Magkaiba nga lang sila pagdating sa paggamit. Okay? Merong kaunting pagkakaiba sa ibig sabihin nila. Okay, umpisahan natin sa on time. On time means at the scheduled time or at the correct time. Yung eksakto sa oras. Not late, not early. For example, the plane will depart on time. Ibig sabihin, kapag alas 10, halimbawa alas 10 yung scheduled time ng pag-alis or ng departure ng eroplano, at kapag ito ay umalis sa eksaktong oras na nakaschedule, okay, that's 10 a.m., ibig sabihin, the plane departed on time, sa eksaktong oras. Now, in time means early enough or before the deadline. So there's still time to spare. Meron ka pang kaunting oras na pwedeng ilaan para sa ibang bagay or para gawin yung ibang bagay bago yung scheduled time. For example, we need to leave now to get to the concert in time. O halimbawa, 8 p.m. yung start ng concert. So yun talaga yung scheduled time ng umpisa ng concert. Tapos you want to arrive at the concert hall in time para makabili ka muna ng snacks. Ibig sabihin, gusto mo dumating doon sa concert hall ng mga 7:45, basta bago yung eksaktong oras ng pag-uumpisa ng concert. So kung ayaw mong masyadong nagmamadali pagdating doon sa concert hall para makarating doon sa upuan mo, for example, or para magkaroon ka pa ng oras, makapag-relax or makabili pa ng snacks, then try to get to the concert in time. Another example, we reached the beach just in time to watch the sunset. So kung kayo ay nakarating sa beach na sakto lang bago lumubog ang araw or bago yung sunset, ibig sabihin, you reached the beach just in time to watch the sunset. In time has another meaning. It could also mean eventually or after a while. In Filipino, that could mean sa kinalaunan. For example, she struggled at first, but she learned this skill in time. So, noong una, medyo nahirapan siya, pero kinalaunan, natutunan niya rin yung skill. Another example, they faced many challenges, but they succeeded in time. So that means they faced many challenges, but they succeeded eventually. So yan yung in time, it could have more than one definition. Okay, are you ready for the quiz? Let's start. Number 1, you found the right job blank after several interviews. On time or in time? The right answer is in time. Number 2, the class will begin blank, so you have to be in the classroom before 7 a.m. On time or in time? The right answer is on time. Number 3, the pizza arrived just blank for the party. On time or in time? The right answer is in time. Kung may natutunan ka sa video na ito, please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. You can also share this video with your friends para naman matutunan din nila kung ano ang pagkakaiba ng on time at in time. Thank you for watching. I'll see you again next time.